Welcome to the Engineer's Guide to the Body, a blueprint for recalibrating your nervous system. We will explore the nervous system through the lens of control theory. All complex systems need a controller to function. We will focus on the proportional integral derivative, or PID controller, a popular model for industrial process control. Research from Brown University and the NIH shows that the PID algorithm can describe how people sequentially adjust predictions. The PI model, without the derivative component, best explains human behavior. Homeostasis, the ideal state, is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. It is regulation around a stable set point, relying on negative feedback to correct deviations and maintain efficiency. The vagus nerve is the system's main communication channel, sending sensory data to the brain and applying the vagal brake to slow heart rate. Vagal tone and heart rate variability, or HRV, are key metrics for a healthy, responsive system. Under chronic stress, the system shifts to a new operating model called allostasis. The body establishes a new steady state to cope with persistent demands, leading to metabolic cost and wear and tear, known as allostatic load. Integral windup describes how past errors overload the present. When errors persist, the accumulated integral term grows massive. This is the psychological feeling of being overly stressed by minor new stressors. The psoas muscle, often called the muscle of the soul, is a physical ledger of integral windup. Chronic tightness in this muscle is the physical manifestation of holding accumulated stress and unresolved responses. Chronic pain can create brain fog because it acts as a constant, high-priority error signal. This diverts cognitive resources, impairing executive function, memory, and concentration. About 50% of chronic pain patients report cognitive decline. Recalibration means taking manual control of the system. The goal is to retune the controller's parameters by resetting the integral term, discharging past error debt, and improving system responsiveness to prevent overshooting. Somatic input, specifically breathing, is a direct lever on vagal tone. Slow, diaphragmatic breathing enhances vagal influence, slowing the heart rate. The optimal cadence is about 6 breaths per minute, which maximizes HRV and baroreflex gain. Cognitive input involves emotion regulation flexibility, which is context-aware control. The ability to select and switch between strategies like distraction for high-intensity stimuli or reappraisal for low-intensity stimuli reduces negative affect, particularly in PTSD. We move from automatic control or homeostasis to system breakdown or allostatic overload, and finally to manual override or recalibration. Conscious inputs like breath and emotion regulation restore resilient, homeostatic balance. A daily practice for system maintenance is gratitude. This shifts attention to positive inputs. A simple 5-minute practice involves reflecting on comforts, acknowledging others, appreciating acquaintances, and focusing on the present.